Welcome to Don Imran Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make sweet and spicy mango chutney. Extremely delicious, and it goes really well. It really complements many main course dishes as well as some snacks that you may have. So with that said, let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make the sweet and spicy mango chutney. You saw the whole process, you saw the whole recipe, and what I'm going to do now is just give it a little bit of a tasting and share with you my thoughts and my feelings on how amazing it is, because I'm saying amazing right now even before tasting, because I know how amazing it is from past experiences. Yeah, you can have it with popadoms, popper in our language. You can have it with even samosa. You can have it with bhajia if you want. You can have it with dal. So today we tried out kali dal, and it goes so well with it. It really has this incredible ability to mix with savory dishes. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wah! It's delicious and it's so versatile. You can have it with crackers, breadsticks, and poppadoms. You can have it with like a roast dinner. You can have it with dal. It's just absolutely versatile. Those 3 syllables. And with that said, do like this video. If you've derived some value, please like the video. There's a thumbs up button beneath this video. Do click or do tap onto that. And also, if you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button. And once you hit the red subscribe button, you'll see a notifications bell icon beside it. Click on that so that you are informed of our daily releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.